Let's take a look at 3 amazing visuals that you didn't know were possible in Google Sheets, and let's learn exactly how to make them. The first one we're going to look at is how to create star ratings like this. If you store your product data in Google Sheets and you want a visual representation of star ratings for each item, well, it's actually pretty easy to create this effect. Start by selecting a cell that will hold the star character that you want to use, and then go to Insert, Emoji. In the search box, type in star, and then just select the one that you want. Then starting with your first product, enter the following formula. Equals, rept function, select the cell containing the star character, and then be sure to make this an absolute reference by adding in $signs. Then for the next argument, just select the numerical star rating that you have for the first product, close parentheses, and press enter. You can then copy the formula down with the fill handle and bam, you've got visual star ratings for each product in your list. Moving on to visual number 2, maybe you're saving up for a few specific items, or maybe you're tracking the progress on a donation campaign or something like that. Well, to make things easy to see, you can actually create a fill chart like this that shows the progress that you're making toward each item that you're tracking. Now, making this chart is actually not too difficult, but it can be hard to figure it out if you've never done it before. And the first step that you actually want to take is to create an extra column for your data. You want to calculate the remaining amount here, so just subtract the saved amount from the goal, and then copy this formula down for each item, and now you're ready to create the chart. Start by selecting the names, and then also select the saved and remaining amounts. Then go to Insert, Chart. In the Chart Editor panel on the right, change the chart type to Stacked Column Chart. Then you can get rid of the title, get rid of the legend, and get rid of the X-axis label on the bottom. Then, under Grid Lines and Ticks, select Vertical Axis and uncheck Major Grid Lines. At this point, click on Series, select Apply to All Series, and select a line color that you want. You can also increase the line thickness to make it more prevalent. From here, change the series to Saved, and for the fill color, select the same color that you picked for the line. Then change the series to Remaining, and change the fill color to White. You now have a fill chart to help you visualize the progress towards your goals. Awesome. Let's move on to our last amazing visual. If you ever find that you have geographical information stored within your spreadsheet, you can actually create an interactive geographical map to display that information. To create a chart like this, just select your data, and then go to Insert, Chart. In the chart editor on the right, change the chart type to GeoChart. Then under Customize, click on Geo and choose the region that fits your data set. Finally, select the colors that you want for the min, mid, and max. And just like that, you've got an interactive geographical chart to display your data right in Google Sheets. Now, charts like this are great. But if you really want to see one of these in action, then you should check out this video where you can build a super cool savings tracker in less than 15 minutes.